Hello there, my friends. So today I'm in iMovie and I've got a movie and I added music to it, but I want to see how, listen to this. It just ends, it just cuts out, right? So like the video fades, but the audio doesn't, and I want the audio to fade. So how do I make the audio fade out at the end of an iMovie? That's what I want to know how to do. All right, so I thought, well, you know, just click on the audio clip, right, and highlight it, and then go up to the menu and try to find something. No, that's not how it works. So here's how it works. They have what they call fade handles. So I'm expecting like something that looks like a handle, but that's not the way Mac does things. If you go over this clip right here, see how it, right here, that little tiny dot that appears and disappears, appears, disappears, appears, disappears. That's what they call a fade handle. So you gotta kind of get the cursor right over that dot, and then it's, oh, look, it prompts you. It says fade out audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it with my left mouse click. I'm going to hold the mouse down, and I'm going to pull the fade handle back to about 7 seconds or so. Now I'm going to let go. Now see this curve here? That's the fade, right? That's indicative, that's graphic representation of the sound fading out. So we'll go over here now. We'll play that last bit. And that's the sound fading out. So that's how you do it. I know it's not intuitive, especially if you're a PC user like I am and coming to Mac relatively late in the game here. I'm relatively new, but I'm learning things, and as I learn them, I post videos. So if this helped you at all, please smash like, because that helps me. And if you want to see more, put it in the comments. Ask me a question. I'll see if I can answer it. So thanks. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.